Good morning. This patient is she is carrying a fetus of 16 weeks 2 days, and they have a history of a baby with thalassemia major, and it is no more, unfortunately, and they don't know the type of mutation, but it had been diagnosed by postnatally by thalassemia, and the second baby is okay, might be carrier. They came to me for prenatal diagnosis of thalassemia, and as कितनी एज है आपकी?
36.
As she is 36 years of age, I asked her to go for aneuploidy screening also, because at the age of 36 there might be increased chance of Down syndrome also. So what I want to say that even we do prenatal diagnosis of thalassemia, mutation diagnosis, there are chances of chromosomal abnormality also. So I am doing both the things with amniotic fluid, which I am taking out by doing amniocentesis. So I am looking at the window from where I will go. You can see a pocket over there. So I will collect. This amniocentesis is basically a very simple procedure for the patient. It is not at all painful, and we are doing with a needle. This needle is कितने gauge की? 22. 22. Very small, very fine needle, and it is not at all painful, because there are a lot of apprehension about the amniocentesis, that how it will go and how it will happen. So I think you should not worry too much. It is long spinal needle, and as she is 36.5, 37 years old, so I asked her to get it aneuploidy screening for Down syndrome also, because only doing mutation diagnosis for so I am putting this needle. You can see the needle is going inside. This is the tip of the needle inside the uterus. It is away from the baby, so I am not harming the fetus. You can see the heart is going on, and this we apply a connector. It is not at all painful. Patient is not under anesthesia. He is comfortable. We discard first few ml or 1.5 ml, and then we take this clear fluid, because the first discarding makes the maternal cell contamination. Otherwise, if there is maternal blood or maternal cell in this fluid, we will report the mother's, it will be a mother's report, who is a carrier. But we want that the baby's report we should get. एमनियोसेंटेसिस में मैं हिंदी में फिर से बोलना चाहता हूँ कि इस पेशेंट को एक थैलेसीमिया मेजर का बच्चा था, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं रहा, और एमनियोसेंटेसिस एक बहुत पतली नीडल जाती है, और आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें से जो फ्लूइड निकल रहा है वो 18 से 20 ml फ्लूइड निकाल लेते हैं, और इट इज़ ये इसमें हम एन्यूप्लॉइडी स्क्रीनिंग, मतलब डाउन सिंड्रोम का टेस्ट और थैलेसीमिया बच्चा मेजर ग्रसित है कि नहीं वो देखना। और आप देख सकते हो कि नीडल अंदर है और हार्ट भी चल रहा है। तो मैं हमेशा बच्चे से दूर लिक्विड ये हम नीडल को निकाल लेते हैं। इन दिस वे वी डू, यू कैन सी द बेबी पोस्ट प्रोसीजर, यू कैन सी द फीटल हार्ट इज गोइंग ऑन, द बेबी इज ओके। दिख गया आपको बच्चे का धड़कन, देख लो, ठीक है, and she is quite comfortable. So we are doing amniocentesis for high risk double marker for Down syndrome and aneuploidy, high risk triple or quad marker, to confirm whether there is baby is suffering from Down syndrome or not. For prenatal genetic disorders, prenatal diagnosis of genetic disorders like thalassemia, sickle cell or Duchenne muscular dystrophy, lot of things we can do. And most importantly, along with the aneuploidy screening like Down syndrome, we do submicroscopic duplication and deletion by chromosomal microarray for the submicroscopic disorders which are more common than Down syndrome in irrespective of maternal age. So wherever there is a confirmation or prenatal diagnosis we can do, and it is up to the patient to take the decision. Thanks a lot for patient listening.